Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Take a ride in the 2019 Cadillac XT5. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.